So here when you buy a remote, you see they come with a packet. The packet shows the instruction of various methods how to pair it. Because when you buy the universal remote, it doesn't pair, it doesn't work at the first time. So you have to pair it. To pair it, you will see different type of instructions to pair it with your remote, with your TV. So if you find the brands here, it's better. You find the brands. If you don't find, there's other methods. So let's get into the normal ones and the easiest one. So when you buy a remote can be different types like these ones. But the thing is common in this universal remote, you will find a button like a set or source. You see the set button. All of them will be set button. There is a set. There is a set. There is a set. So all the remotes will have a set button. So what to do when you take a remote? You just need to insert the battery and turn on your TV. Your TV must be turned on. When you turn on the TV, the screen, whatever is it, green, blue, how does it look, doesn't matter. It just the TV needs to be turned on and the battery needs to be with battery. So when you take it, after taking it, you see that tool, the source button here, this one. Let me mark it for you. You see the source button. You need to press and hold the source button until you see a volume screen on your TV. When you see a volume screen on your TV, like this one, when you see a volume screen, you just leave the button and test it. The other buttons is functioning or not. This thing is functioning or not. If you don't see a volume button, maybe you are holding it for a long time but you don't see anything. That time you're gonna release the button to remove the battery, turn off the TV and make it on again, then do the same procedure again. If the remote doesn't work, maybe you need to buy another remote. This TV remote doesn't support, so you take another one. That one also same, like you need to press and hold the button, this one. You see this button here, set button. You need to press and hold it onto the remote sensor. When you have a TV, you have a remote sensor on there, so you have to press and hold it to the remote sensor. After, when you see the volume screen, you're gonna release it. This is how you have to make it. If you don't see this one, maybe you have to take another remote. Same here, you have to press and hold it. You see the set button, you need to press and hold the set button, this set button, until you see the volume screen. If you don't see the volume screen, meanwhile you have to see the volume screen, because this is how the universal remote sets. Even it's any TV, it's a Digimark or whatever, Digimark. If you say Sony or something, you can set it like this.